So we are continuing with Advocate General of the State. So the Constitution Article 165, आपका जो 165 हो गया वो हो गया आपका is provided for the Advocate General of the State. So he is the highest law officer in the state. Law officer in the state. Thus the he corresponds to the Attorney General of India. Corresponds मतलब उसके तुलना में आपका AG की तुलना में ये is the for the state. Now appointment and term पे आते हैं. So Advocate General is appointed by the governor. He must be a person. वहाँ आपके प्रेसिडेंट है और यहाँ पे गवर्नर है. So he must be a person who is qualified to be appointed a judge of high court. In other words, he must be citizen of India and must have held a judicial office for 10 years or had been advocate of high court for 10 years. तो या तो कोई जुडिशियल ऑफिस में ये 10 साल के लिए है या ये एडवोकेट है 10 साल के लिए 10 साल के लिए है. So the term of office of Advocate General is not fixed by the Constitution. Further, the Constitution does not contain the procedure and ground for his removal. He holds office during the pleasure of the governor. So this means that he may be removed by the governor at any time. He may also quit his office by submitting his resignation to the governor. Convincingly, he resigns when the government council of ministers resigns or is replaced as he is appointed on its advice. क्या है उनके advice पे होता है तो उनके नाम पे हट जाता है. Now, the remuneration of the Advocate General is not fixed by the Constitution. He receives such remuneration as the governor may determine. Now, duties and function पे आते हैं. तो as the chief law officer of the government in the state, the duties of the Advocate General include the following: to give advice of the government affairs of the state upon such legal matter which are referred to him by the governor, to perform such other duties of a legal character that are assigned to him by the governor, to discharge the function conferred on him by the Constitution or any other law. In the performance of his official duty, the Advocate General is entitled to appear before any court of law within the state. Further, he has the right to speak and to take part in the proceeding of both the houses of the state legislature or any committee of the state legislature of which he may be named a member, but without a right to vote. He enjoys all the privileges and amenities that are available to the member of state legislature. So 165 पे आते हैं article Advocate General of the State. 177 पे rights of Advocate General with respect to the House, State Legislature and its committee. 194 पे आते हैं power, privilege and immunities of Advocate General. Article 76 AG of India and 148 Comptroller and Auditor General of India. 165 Advocate General of the State. 243 State Finance Commission. 243 के State Election Commission. 243 JD District Planning Committee. आई हो चुका है स्टेट फाइनेंस कमीशन के इलेक्शन स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन. डी डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्लानिंग कमिटी. जेड ई मेट्रोपॉलिटन प्लानिंग कमिटी. 263 इंटर स्टेट काउंसिल. 279 गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टैक्स काउंसिल. 280 फाइनेंस कमीशन. 307 इंटर स्टेट ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स कमीशन. 315 यूपीएससी. 324 इलेक्शन कमीशन. 338 नेशनल कमीशन फॉर शेड्यूल कास्ट. 338 ए नेशनल कमीशन फॉर शेड्यूल ट्राइब. 338B National Commission for Backward Classes. 339 Scheduled Areas and Scheduled Tribe Commission. 340 Backward Classes Commission. 344 Official Commission and Official Language Committee of Parliament. और ये भी क्वेश्चन कहीं बनाया हुआ है. 350 Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities. So these are the articles and we are done with Advocate General of the State.